Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Walmart affiliate deep links using affiliate tags, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Walmart affiliate deep links using affiliate tags, start by logging into your Walmart affiliate account. Navigate to the links section of the dashboard. Here, you will see the option to create or manage your deep links. Select the product you want to promote from the Walmart website. Copy the product URL from the Walmart page. Return to your affiliate dashboard and paste the product URL into the link generator. Add your affiliate tag to the end of the URL. The affiliate tag typically looks like aff_ID equals your ID. Make sure there are no spaces in the affiliate tag. Once you've added your tag, click Generate Link. The system will provide you with a shortened URL. Copy this new affiliate link. Now, open a private or incognito browsing window in your web browser. Paste the generated affiliate link into the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the Walmart product page with your affiliate tag attached. To verify that the link is functioning, look for your affiliate ID in the URL. If your affiliate ID is present, this indicates the link is correctly configured. You can also check the link's functionality by making a test purchase, if applicable. Returning to your affiliate dashboard, monitor any clicks or conversions generated from this link. Regularly verifying your links ensures they remain active and effective in driving affiliate revenue. If you encounter any issues, revisit the link creation process to ensure accuracy. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Walmart affiliate deep links. Maintaining accurate links is crucial for maximizing your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.